Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a right rectangular pyramid. Right simply means that this vertex V happens to be right at the center of the pyramid. So if I were to draw a vertical line down, then this end is indeed right in the middle of the base. Find the total surface area of the pyramid. So step 1, I will want to know what is my base area, because later on I would add this base area up. So my base area is a rectangle, so it's 10 times 8, 80 cm square. So this one put one side first. Now I have two triangles of different sizes. The first one is this. Triangle VQR. So I'm going to just draw it out. VQR. And to find this right, I hope you remember that we always need the so let's do this slowly. So I will have this slant height, which I'm going to call it X. Then how do I find this slant height? Here's the catch, okay? Now I'm going to need you all to see this really carefully that I'm highlighting. Can you see that there is a triangle inside as well? So this V and, which I'm going to call this point here A, will allow me to find my X. X is this slant height here. Then what about NA? What about this? Then we have to take reference to this PQ, which is 10. So half of 10 is 5. Very good. So by Pythagoras theorem, I will be able to get my X, which happens to be the height of this triangle here. I still have my 8. So you will see a working to try and find this X, where X square is equals to 12 square plus 5 square by Pythagoras theorem. So my X is the square root of 12 square plus 5 square, 13. So I will get my X as 13. So now I know this is 13. And I will be able to get my triangle, area of this triangle, this face, easily. Half time base time height. And there are how many? 2 of them. One here and one at the other side. Yeah? I am going to now repeat for my blue color triangle here, using the same reasoning, but this time round is VPQ 10, and the slant height actually is different, so I'm going to call it Y. So if I were to draw this out, then using the same idea, this green color triangle here, which I'm going to draw out, will look like this. V, and maybe I call this point B. (90° as well. So again, I know this is 12. B to N though, must take reference from here. QR, so this is 4. Then we'll call this Y. And Y square is equals to 12 square plus 4 square. So my Y is the square root of 12 square plus 4 square. And that actually is the square root of 160. And so now I have this as square root 160. And we can then find the total surface area already. Okay. Total surface area is therefore equals to the base area 80 plus 2 of my red color triangle, half times base times height 13, plus my 2 of my blue color triangle, half times base times square root 160. And therefore final answer will be equals to 310.491 to 6F SF, followed by final answer 310 cm squared to 3SF. With that, we have come to the end of this particular example. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.